So this is how much wire I stripped just now. Stripped about 20 feet doing this like this. See, all I did was pull this like this, and then I could with one hand. See that? How easy? So you don't need no fancy stripping wire machine. Strip wire machine. I look at the prices. They start at $40. I'll make it for, I don't know, a block of wood and screw, and just drill a hole. There you go. That's the end of it. This is how much wires I just stripped in a few minutes. So you don't need expensive wire stripper. Just a piece of black wood with hole for each size of the wire that you're gonna strip. With a screw through the hole. All right, you see, that's a 4 gauge. All right, that's my final video on wire stripping.